ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure for me to be here on this auspicious occasion. Nowadays, whenever people are talking about the Gujarat, they simply do not talk that Gujarat. Normally they used to say that vibrant Gujarat. Why this vibrant Gujarat? How this vibrant Gujarat? I would like to give you a simple example. Last year in September, we approved to give a land to Bombardier. The decision was taken within 40 days. The last year, September, we decided to give a land, and this is November 2008. We are inaugurating the factory. And I was told that in month of June, from this factory, the first metro coach will be delivered to Delhi. So how fast the government is taking the decision and how fast company can execute in land of Gujarat. And this is the reason that Gujarat is known as a vibrant Gujarat, and vibrancy is at every level. Gujarat is a state we are focusing on surface transport. Can Gujarat be a hub of surface transport? We are trying our level best that yes, we have a potential, and after coming the presence of the Bombardier, it's very, very easy for us to convince the world in this sector that yes, Gujarat is a place where surface transport manufacturing hub can be created. Today, two companies, those who are going to manufacture wagons for the railway, are coming up in Gujarat. In very near future, we will manufacture the wagons in Gujarat. We are a state where we were known for the ship breaking yard of Alam, the world's largest ship breaking yard in Alam. We were proud of it, but I don't want to stop there only. Now this is the time that we must enter into the shipbuilding and ship repairing. When the global economy is there, the global market is there, the transportation, the global transportation is going to place in a market and the business life. If it is so, the location-wise we have an advantage. If you think about the east and west, Gujarat has a special location, and there, if we can have a ship repairing yards and shipbuilding yards, we can do a lot more services in this sector. Like air services, we are talking about the Frankfurt. The same way, for the sea transportation, Gujarat, we can create a hub for that activity, and I'm sure we will proceed in this area. Last year, we invited the South Korean people. We had a very good workshop here. For one-day workshop was there. And nowadays, people, those who are interested in shipbuilding and ship repairing, the most of the companies are looking into Gujarat. Of course, we are there in shipbuilding. In Surat, Madalla, already our ship making yards are there. In Bhavnagar, our government-owned PSUs is there. We are in the ship making process. But Today, only South Korea is having a 40% share in the ship making. Gujarat is only 4 to 5%. We would like to achieve at least 10% in next 10 years. I'm sure that that is the greatest contribution of the Gujarat. And this type of industries, basically the engineering industry, give a lots of job. And my focus in Gujarat is a job creation. And when I'm looking for the job creation, the surface transport engineering manufacturing hubs are giving a maximum scope for the job, and job creation is a real sustainable economical activity. And that's why for the job creation, we are inviting the surface transportation system. The same way, we have a General Motors, we have a truck manufacturing in Kutch, and now after Nano. So Bombardier and Nano, these are the two companies direct presence in Gujarat. Each are, I'm sure that it will give a new dimension, the new strength and the new spirit in this surface transport system, and I'm sure we will be able to achieve that goal. When I'm talking about the transportation activity, nowadays Gujarat is the most urbanized state in the country. In very immediate future, over 50% population will be there in the urban area. And in this situation, multimodal transportation system is required. And when we are talking about the transportation system, here the Bombardier is coming with this Ford Eco 4. I have some different type of thinking, and I would like to say that the transportation system will have to evolve. First, how to save the time, how to save the life, how to save energy, and how to save environment. If we can address these all four issues, saving the life, saving the time, saving the energy, and saving the environment, I'm sure we will be the competent, and we will have to develop this type of transportation system, and Gujarat is of course looking in this area.